Welcome to today's news. Central Bank of India SO Recruitment 2025. Apply for 62 posts at centralbankofindia.co.in. Central Bank of India will recruit candidates for specialist officer posts. Central Bank of India has invited application for specialist officer posts. Eligible candidates can apply online through the official website of Central Bank of India at https centralbankofindia.co.in/en. Candidates can apply for 62 posts. The registration process begins on December 27 and will close on January 12, 2025. Vacancy details: data engineer or analyst 3 posts, data scientist 2 posts, data architect or could architect or designer or modeler 2 posts, ML ops engineer 2 posts, general AI experts large language module 2 posts, Compagnon manager SEM and SMM 1 post, SEO specialist 1 post, graphic designer and video editor 1 post, content writer, digital marketing 1 post, MarTech specialist 1 post, Neo support recruitment L2 6 posts, Neo support requirement L1 10 post, production support technical support engineer 10 post, digital payment application support engineer 10 post, developer data support engineer 10 post. Selection process, eligibility, vacancy and for more related details, candidates can check the official website of Central Bank of India.
For more latest news, career, job, exam, question papers, notes and study materials, visit the website https studyforsure.com.
Thank you.